Hello and welcome to our Dolly Advent collaboration. I'll be opening a surprise gift each day in the lead up to Christmas from either Jay from J Dolls UK, Marna from Dolls Rescued, or from Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Parley. Please check out their channels today as well, as they'll also be opening surprise gifts each day, and they could be from me. The links are in the description. Hi there. Today is the 16th day of our Dolly Advent collaboration, so let's have a look at what surprise gift I'll be opening today. Please excuse the cat jingly noises you can hear in the background. Okay, today I think I'm going to go for this one, which is from Tammy. So we've got just small ones left. So let's have a look at this one today. Oh, very cool. Oh, how interesting. We've got some sewing patterns for the American Girl size doll, but I do wonder if these can be altered for Smart Doll or for similar size BJDs. So that'll be interesting. I'll have to check that out. So we've got various different patterns. We've got one for a lovely little dress, one for a play suit, one for a sleeveless top, and for a pair of trousers as well. How awesome is that? Thank you so much, Tammy. That's really cool. And I'll definitely be checking them against my big dolls that I have, because I do have some. Although I don't have American Girl dolls, I do have similar sized large dolls. So that will definitely be well used. Thank you so much, Tammy, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and let me know what you thought of today's surprise gift. And take care. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.